Hey everybody, how you doing? Kelly's Truck Talk here. I'm talking about stuff that is happening right now in the real estate business. I'm still working, I'm still busy. I gotta do it while I'm driving down the road. You know what I was thinking about? The first partner. So you think about partners, right? You think about team members, you think about building that team or the strategic alliances in your business. So as a real estate agent, your first partner, in my mind, is a mortgage person. A mortgage person that you trust, that you love doing business with, that you like, that you know is on it, and you understand their systems and their protocols and how they deal with people and how they like to set up that relationship and start that relationship. Really important to understand how that mortgage person operates and how they like to operate with their people, and how you can create a less frictional process. So take the friction out of the process, make it easier for everybody, make it more streamlined, set up expectations properly with your people as you lead them over to this person, and then what you do is you edify that mortgage person as much as you can, as long as they live up to the edification. And what I mean by edify, I don't know if you've never heard of this word before, but edify is to build up. It's to build up the other person. And I teach them to do the same thing about me. So when they're talking to the clients now they're sitting down and going, yeah, you know what, Kelly and Nicole, they're great people. You're in good hands. They're going to take care of you. And that's all they got to say is something like that within that meeting. And what that does is it just solidifies that process between the two. Now you got to live up to it and you got to be it, but you should consciously edify, because I know when I edify my teammates, the people that I like to work with and that help me serve people well, when I edify them, that makes my clients feel they're in good hands. It actually in turn kind of edifies me somewhat a bit by accident. I don't mean to. I'm not doing it for that reason, but it's kind of one of those offshoot benefits that happen from doing it. So anyway, I just want to encourage you in that. So take the time to get to know your mortgage person and find a strategic alliance mortgage person that you're going to do business with, and learn how they do business and learn how they communicate and leverage that relationship. They may even do open houses with you sometimes, especially with this COVID stuff. It's kind of nice if you're going to do open houses and you're meeting all the COVID protocols and you got masks there and sanitizer and you got forms for people to fill out and all that you have two people there, keeping distance of course, but if you have two people, then you can have one person that's kind of making sure people are meeting the protocols, but that gives them a chance to chat with people and get to know them a little bit, and maybe lock them in as a person that they're going to help one day, either or, realtor or mortgage person. So just some things to think about. Make that mortgage person your friend, your partner, your strategic alliance, your teammate, and your advocate. All right, man, that's it for today. Have a great day.